respected Indian Parliament members and RBI Chairman, RBI head of RBI, who is holding RBI. My subject is Indian democracy with distribution of loan to poor persons. Dear Parliament members, Modi government has totally failed in our India with having a distribution wealth. With example, a poor person or pensioner could not draw personal loan during the age of 74, 75, 76. Instead of that, an person having age 80 can draw loan with Aadhaar card. He is loan and a voter agent of Modi. Modi voter agent. And a poor employee of pensioner could not draw loan, personal loan at the age of 77. Is it not a bogus democracy? Inform our Union Finance Minister to Indian public. Thus, therefore, see what is happening in India. Only gundas and lundas have a distribution wealth among poor, not for an old pensioner having age 80 could not draw personal loan because of age factor. At Jammu and Kashmir's bank, there was no restriction for such pension, such withdrawal of loan. But during the head agency of Sinha Sahab, such bar has been done. Is it distribution wealth, RBI? Tell me, under democracy, is it distribution of wealth for poor people? There should be no restriction for any pensioner for personal loan. There should be no age board. Having a wife who is his successor after his death could recover from his family pension also. A poor family pensioner have got need of personal loan and could not draw due to age factor. Is it justification? Tell me, RBI, you are distributing wealth to those persons who are the voting agent and other agent of Modi and Union Minister of India. Is it justification? Is it judiciary? Bogus democracy of India, bogus democracy of law. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.